Structure of embryo sac. The development of embryo sac or female gametophyte takes place inside the nucellus of the ovule. Although the origin of mature embryo sac may differ, its eventually organization shows a surprisingly uniform pattern in majority of angiosperms. The Polygonum type, Allium, Fritillaria, and Adoxa type of embryo sac all have a similar appearance at the time of fertilization, that is, 3-celled egg apparatus, 3 antipodals, and 2 polar nuclei. The female gametophyte is commonly called embryo sac or megametophyte. Structure of the mature embryo sac or the female gametophyte. Female gametophyte possesses an egg apparatus consisting of an egg in the center surrounded on either side by 2 synagogues, and it is present towards the micropylar regions. The synagogues are 2 elongated cells present at the micropylar end of the ovule on each side of the ovule. The characteristic feature of synagogue cell is the presence of finger-like filiform apparatus. It is developed due to chemotactic stimulus. It transports a secretion product towards the micropylar tip of egg apparatus, where pollen tube establishes contact with the embryo sac. Synagogues play an important role in directing the pollen tube growth by secreting some chemotactically active substances like sucrose. The degenerating synagogues help pollen tube to discharge and release its content into the embryo sac. Coming to egg cell. It is single haploid cell at the micropylar end between the 2 synagogues. It represents the female gamete. When fertilized by sperm, it forms a diploid zygote. Polar nuclei. The central portion of the embryo sac containing the polar nuclei eventually give rise to endosperm and has therefore been called as the endosperm mother cell. Usually, the 2 nuclei are so similar to each other that once they have come together, it is difficult to distinguish the micropylar from the collageal nuclei. When there is a difference in size between the 2, it is usually the micropylar one which is large. In embryo sac of Fritillaria type, however, the collageal polar nuclei is larger. Antipodals. Although usually short-lived, the antipodals frequently show a considerable increase in size or number. These are usually 3 in number, present at the collageal end of the embryo sac. They show great variation in structure, lifespan, and biochemistry. Usually, these cells degenerate before or soon after fertilization. The antipodal cells serve to provide nutrition to the pro-embryo. The antipodals in some members of Gentianaceae, the 3 antipodal cells divide to form about 10 to 12 cells, and in Graminae, a still larger number of cells is produced. In Sasa paniculata, as many as 300 antipodal cells have been reported, and in several genera of Rubiaceae and Galium, the basal antipodal cell is often greatly elongated and acts as an aggressive haustorium. The summary. The mature female gametophyte or embryo sac in a typical angiosperm is 7-celled and nucleate. The female gametophyte is called the embryo sac or megametophyte. The Polygonum, Allium, Fritillaria, Adoxa type of embryo sac all have a similar appearance at the time of fertilization. That is, they have 3-celled egg apparatus, 3-celled antipodals, and 2 polar nuclei. Egg apparatus consists of an egg surrounded on either side by 2 synergids, and the polar nuclei, in this, one nuclei comes from the cellageal region, the other comes from the micropylar region. The synergids are 2 elongated cells present at the micropylar end, and egg is haploid at the micropylar end between the 2 synergids. Thank you.